If you want to make a shiny gold scarab beetle like this, all you need to do is cut a piece of tin foil and roll it into a tube. Place 3 pipe cleaners like this and roll the foil around them. Squeeze the foil into the shape of a beetle and then bend the legs like this. Now cover it with a gold wrapper and then stick on googly eyes to finish off your golden scarab beetle. It looks brilliant! Well done, Scraps! And you can make any sort of shiny golden insect you like. Maisie, let's look at your marvellous golden creature. What have you made?
I've made a spider.
Well done, that was fantastic. And what's your spider's name?
Derek.
Derek! Well, Derek is golden and great. Now, we have a super snail here made by a marvellous mini maker, Isabel. Isabel, what's your snail's name?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Let's have a look at Jeffrey. He is cool. How do you make the eyes?
I used the golden pipe cleaners and then I put googly eyes on top of them.
Well, it is brilliant. Thank you, Jeffrey. This is a brilliant butterfly made by a brilliant mini maker, Ross. Ross, what's the name of your golden butterfly?
Jamie.
Jamie. And I really like his colourful spots. What did you use for the spots?
Stickers.
And what else have you stuck here in the middle?
Googly eyes.
Googly eyes. It's a brilliant butterfly, Ross. Well done to you.